Good morning, my dear friends. Today, I want to talk to you about something that affects nearly every one of us as we age, yet rarely gets the attention it deserves. Those achy joints that greet you each morning. The swollen legs that make your shoes feel tight by evening. The stiffness in your knees that makes you think twice before taking the stairs. If any of this sounds familiar, please know you're not alone, and more importantly, there's real hope for improvement. What you're experiencing isn't just normal aging. It's actually your body sending you clear signals that something vital is breaking down inside. That something is collagen, the protein that acts like cushioning and scaffolding throughout your joints, tendons, and ligaments. Think of collagen as the shock absorbers in your car. When they wear out, every bump in the road feels jarring. The same thing happens in your body when collagen breaks down. Here's a fact that might surprise you. After age 30, your body loses about 1% of its collagen every single year. By the time you reach 65, you've lost a substantial amount of this crucial protein. But here's the encouraging news that brought you here today. Your body never forgets how to make collagen. It just needs the right nutrients, the right building blocks, to restart production. And some of the most powerful collagen-building tools are sitting right in your grocery store's produce section. Today, we're going to explore 8 remarkable fruits that have been scientifically proven to help rebuild collagen and reduce joint inflammation. We'll start with the helpful ones and work our way up to the absolute champion. The number 1 fruit on our list has been shown in clinical studies to reduce knee pain by 42% and increase collagen density by 24%. These aren't made-up numbers. They come from real research conducted on real people in our age group. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me your age and which fruit you absolutely refuse to eat. We read every comment and love connecting with our community. Starting strong with kiwi fruit. Let's begin with fruit number 8, the humble kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit from New Zealand might not look like much, but it's a powerhouse for joint health. Kiwi contains more vitamin C per serving than most other common fruits, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without it, your body literally cannot create new collagen fibers. One medium kiwi provides over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which jump-starts the enzymes that convert amino acids into collagen structures. Your tendons, ligaments, and joint cartilage all depend on this process. When vitamin C levels drop, collagen production slows dramatically, leading to weaker tissues and longer recovery times after activity. A study from the University of Otago found that people eating 2 kiwis daily increased their vitamin C levels by 31% within just 1 week. More importantly, they reported better joint flexibility and less morning stiffness. The participants could move more freely and felt less of that creaky sensation when getting out of bed. Kiwi also contains an enzyme called actinidin that helps break down proteins, improving your body's ability to absorb the amino acids needed for collagen production. It's like upgrading your body's delivery system for joint repair materials. For best results, eat kiwi fresh in the morning. If you're feeling adventurous, try eating the skin too. Just wash it well first. The skin contains extra fiber and antioxidants that boost the fruit's benefits. You can also slice kiwi into yogurt, blend it into smoothies, or simply cut it in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. The tropical power of pineapple. Moving up to number 7, we have pineapple, a fruit that does much more than just taste like vacation. Pineapple contains a unique enzyme called bromelain that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, specifically targeting swollen tissues around your knees, ankles, and hips. When your joints swell, that inflammation creates pressure that actually prevents nutrients from reaching the areas that need repair. Bromelain helps clear that inflammation, allowing collagen-building nutrients to flow freely to your joints. Think of it as clearing a traffic jam so the repair trucks can get through. A study published in Clinical Rheumatology followed patients with knee osteoarthritis who took bromelain daily. After 30 days, they experienced a 41% reduction in joint pain and swelling. Another German study found bromelain worked as effectively as common pain medications for knee discomfort, but without the stomach upset those drugs often cause. Pineapple also provides over 75 milligrams of vitamin C per cup, plus manganese, a mineral that activates the enzymes responsible for weaving collagen fibers together. Without adequate manganese, your body might have the raw materials for collagen but lack the tools to assemble them properly. Always choose fresh, ripe pineapple over canned versions in syrup. You'll know it's ripe when the bottom smells sweet and a crown leaf pulls out easily. Eat it fresh in the morning. Blend it into smoothies, or try this combination: pair pineapple with bone broth. The enzymes help your body absorb the broth's collagen more effectively. Papaya's gentle healing touch. Number 6 on our list is papaya, an underappreciated fruit that deserves a place in every kitchen. Papaya contains more vitamin C than oranges, plus a special enzyme called papain that breaks down complex proteins into amino acids your body can immediately use for collagen production. Think of papain as a master organizer. If proteins are like tangled balls of yarn, papain untangles them and sorts them into neat, usable threads your body can weave into fresh collagen. This process is especially important for the connective tissues in your knees, hips, and ankles. Papaya also contains flavonoids that protect existing collagen from breaking down too quickly. So while it helps build new collagen, it's simultaneously preserving what you already have. It's like renovating your house while maintaining the good parts. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that adults with chronic knee stiffness who ate papaya daily showed improved joint flexibility and reduced pain within just 2 weeks. The combination of anti-inflammatory and collagen-supporting compounds work together remarkably quickly. Choose papaya when it's soft and orange, not hard and green. The enzymes are most active in perfectly ripe fruit. Cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, and eat it with a spoon. Here's a surprise tip: save a few seeds and blend them into smoothies. They contain extra anti-inflammatory compounds, though start with just 3 or 4, as they have a peppery taste. Guava, the vitamin C superstar. At number 5, we have guava, a fruit that should be famous but isn't. Plant. This tropical gem contains 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. One guava provides over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, more than double the daily requirement for adults. Why does this matter for your joints? Vitamin C isn't optional for collagen production, it's mandatory. Without it, your body's collagen factories completely shut down. But when you provide abundant vitamin C from guava, collagen production shifts into high gear. Guava also contains lycopene and polyphenols that protect collagen fibers from oxidative damage while reducing inflammation in weight-bearing joints. It's like putting a protective shield around your existing collagen while building new supplies. A study in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that adults eating guava daily for 6 weeks experienced increased skin elasticity and decreased joint inflammation. The high vitamin C and antioxidant combination created what researchers called a synergistic effect, where nutrients work together more powerfully than they would alone. Eat guava fresh with the skin on for maximum benefit. The skin contains extra fiber and antioxidants. Wash it well and bite right in like an apple. All color varieties are nutritious, though pink and red ones have more lycopene. Slice it for snacks, blend it into smoothies, or add it to salads. Blackberries, small but mighty. Number 4 brings us to blackberries, those dark purple gems packed with joint-protecting compounds. Their deep color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that specifically protect collagen from breaking down. As we age, certain enzymes in our bodies start destroying collagen faster than we can replace it. Anthocyanins from blackberries actually block these destructive enzymes, giving your body time to catch up with repairs. It's like calling a ceasefire in the war against your joints. A study in the journal Nutrients found that older adults eating blackberries daily showed a 25% reduction in inflammatory markers related to cartilage damage. Another Oregon State University study showed that anthocyanin-rich foods helped preserve collagen density in aging tissues, especially around knees and elbows. Blackberries also improve circulation in your legs by strengthening capillaries and enhancing blood flow. Better circulation means faster delivery of nutrients to joints that need repair. Plus, they're rich in manganese, providing almost half your daily needs in just 1 cup. Choose fresh blackberries when possible, avoiding frozen ones with added sugar. Sugar increases inflammation, canceling out the benefits. Eat them as morning snacks, stir them into plain yogurt, or blend them into smoothies with almond milk. Blueberries for better mobility. At number 3, blueberries earn their spot through impressive research results. While famous for brain health, they're equally powerful for keeping joints young and flexible. Blueberries contain exceptional concentrations of flavonoids that don't just reduce inflammation, but actually signal your body to start rebuilding damaged collagen structures. It's like having a construction crew that immediately begins repairs while preventing further damage. A study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that older adults eating blueberries daily experienced 38% better joint mobility after just 2 weeks. They could bend easier, walk longer, and had significantly less leg swelling. University of Maine research showed that blueberries specifically improve blood flow to connective tissues in knees, ankles, and the lower back. This targeted circulation brings oxygen and nutrients exactly where collagen repair is needed most. Blueberries also help regulate blood sugar, which is crucial for reducing joint inflammation. When blood sugar stays stable, inflammatory responses decrease throughout your body, creating an ideal environment for collagen production. Wild blueberries contain twice the antioxidants of regular ones, but both are highly effective. Add them to oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them by the handful as an afternoon snack. Strawberries, sweet relief for aching joints. Our runner-up at number 2 is the beloved strawberry. These familiar red berries are sophisticated healing tools that work at the molecular level to protect and rebuild joints. Strawberries contain compounds that block collagenase enzymes, which break down collagen during inflammation. Every time your joints hurt, these enzymes eat away at the cushioning between your bones. Strawberries essentially put up a stop sign, protecting your precious collagen from destruction. A clinical study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that adults with knee osteoarthritis eating strawberries daily experienced 37% less inflammation and measurable pain relief within 2 weeks. Laboratory tests confirmed actual improvements in joint health markers, not just symptomatic relief. Another study found strawberries increase collagen density while improving skin elasticity. The same collagen that keeps skin firm also cushions joints and maintains tendon flexibility. When strawberries improve collagen anywhere, they improve it everywhere. 1 cup of strawberries provides over 100% of daily vitamin C needs, plus 25% of manganese requirements. It's a complete collagen-building toolkit in one delicious package. Choose organic strawberries when possible to avoid pesticide residues that increase inflammation. Eat them fresh, including the green tops in smoothies for extra anti-inflammatory compounds. Morning consumption or after light activity maximizes nutrient absorption. Amla, the ultimate collagen rebuilder. Finally, we've reached number 1. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is the most powerful collagen rebuilding fruit that exists, yet 99% of people have never tried it. This small green fruit contains more stable, absorbable vitamin C than any other natural source. Unlike vitamin C from citrus that breaks down quickly, Amla's vitamin C is bound with polyphenols that make it incredibly stable and highly bioavailable. Your body can use nearly all of it, compared to just a fraction from supplements or other fruits. But here's what makes Amla truly exceptional. It increases production of fibroblasts, the specialized cells that manufacture collagen. Instead of just providing materials, Amla actually builds more collagen factories in your body. More fibroblasts mean dramatically increased collagen production capacity. A groundbreaking study in clinical interventions in aging followed adults taking Amla extract for 12 weeks. Results were extraordinary: 42% reduction in knee pain and swelling, plus 24% increase in actual collagen density confirmed by skin biopsies. This was structural rebuilding at the cellular level, not just symptom management. Indian research found Amla significantly improved leg mobility, and strength in older adults with arthritis. Participants walked longer distances, climbed stairs easier, and experienced less burning in joints after activity. Researchers noted Amla worked faster than any other natural intervention studied. Amla also contains quercetin and gallic acid, compounds that neutralize oxidative stress around joints, especially after exercise. While movement benefits joints, it creates oxidative stress that damages collagen. Amla provides protection while supporting repair. Raw amla is extremely sour, so most people prefer juice or powder. 1 teaspoon of amla powder in warm water with honey and lemon makes a transformative morning drink. Fresh amla can be sliced and soaked overnight in salt water to reduce sourness. Indian grocery stores often carry frozen amla, which works just as well. Now that you understand these 8 powerful fruits, let's discuss practical implementation. You don't need all 8 daily. That's unrealistic. Choose 3 or 4 that appeal to you and are readily available. Start mornings with a collagen-boosting smoothie. Blend blueberries or strawberries, half a kiwi, fresh pineapple, and amla powder if available. Add water or unsweetened almond milk, perhaps spinach, for extra nutrients. You've created a powerful anti-inflammatory, collagen-building breakfast your joints will appreciate. For mid-morning snacks, enjoy fresh blackberries or guava slices. When afternoon stiffness sets in, have papaya chunks or strawberries. The natural enzymes and antioxidants combat inflammation that builds throughout the day. Consistency matters most. You won't rebuild years of collagen loss overnight, but many people report improvements within 12 to 48 hours, especially reduced morning stiffness and leg swelling. After 2 weeks of consistent consumption, expect more significant improvements in flexibility and comfort. While fruits are powerful tools, rebuilding collagen involves a comprehensive approach. These fruits work best combined with other healthy habits. Adequate hydration transports nutrients to joints and removes inflammatory compounds. Gentle exercise like walking or swimming maintains flexibility and promotes circulation. Quality sleep provides repair and rebuilding time. Certain foods can sabotage your efforts. Excessive sugar, processed foods, and too much caffeine increase inflammation and interfere with collagen production. You needn't eliminate them completely, but mindful consumption helps these healing fruits work more effectively. Living with joint pain, stiffness, or swollen legs doesn't have to be your permanent reality. Your body retains its healing ability, it just needs proper support. These 8 scientifically backed fruits provide that support naturally and deliciously. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated treatments. You don't have to accept that pain equals aging. You have the power to support natural healing processes, starting with simple choices at the grocery store. Every morning you choose these collagen-building fruits, you're investing in mobility, independence, and quality of life. You're declaring that your joints matter, that you haven't given up, and that you're committed to healing. Before we close, please share in the comments which fruit you're most excited to try. What questions do you have about incorporating these into your routine? We read and respond to every comment, learning from your experiences. If this information helped you, please share it with someone struggling with joint pain. Simple solutions are often the most powerful, and this knowledge could save someone years of discomfort. Remember, your health journey continues beyond today. Stay curious, hopeful, and committed to self-care. You deserve comfortable, easy movement through your days. Now you have 8 delicious tools to make that happen. Thank you for your time today. Here's to your health, mobility, and continued vitality. May your joints feel younger, your legs lighter, and your days filled with freedom to move as you choose. Take care of yourself, and remember, it's never too late to start healing.